Hi everyone, how's everything is going on? It's a pretty long period of time I didn't upload any video in these channels. Today the basic agenda of this video is I just like to share my experience in the NAWA Recognition Certificate process. And during my NAWA Recognition Certificate process, I faced a lot of hustles. Initially I did some sort of mistakes, then later stage I just corrected somehow. Then now I received NAWA Recognition Certificate. So basically, what is NAWA Recognition Certificate and what is the importance of the NAWA Recognition Certificate, how the process, how to get NAWA Recognition Certificate, how to do the online submission, online application for NAWA Recognition Certificate, how long period it will take, and related information. First of all, what you need to do, you just type it in the Chrome nawa.gov.pl. Then you need to click in the recognition icon because we need an NAWA recognition statement. So before going to explain the things, we need to understand what is NAWA recognition certificate. So NAWA recognition certificate is confirmed. Your foreign degree is recognized in Poland. For example, if you complete a master degree or bachelor degrees in any other country, so if you want to go to higher study purpose, if you want to go to PhD purpose, so the NAWA recognition certificate is required. So academic job or research position related. So without NAWA recognition, sometimes the universities cannot officially accept your previous degree basically. So what purpose we need to do, we need a NAWA recognition statement. We need a NAWA recognition. We need to go for a recognition for academic purpose. We need to click that one, recognition for academic purpose. Then we need to click it, recognition for how to obtain the recognition statement. So we need to click this link, how to obtain the recognition. So it will turn to in the page, in the application. So before going to the application, online application, we need to understand how to fill the application form. How this is explained in the Polish. So let's look on it in the user manual in English. So they're mentioning what are the necessary document is needed and how each step in the application. So let's look on it. What are the necessary document you required before going to the application? So one thing you need is original certificate. Your original certificate is needed, and a transcript of record. Transcript of record means consolidate grade card is needed, and your translation, your consolidated credit card and your original certificate translation is needed. But if your certificate is issued in English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Ukraine, so you don't need any translation. Document is not needed. Other thing, in case if you have a refugee, so you need a refugee document, status document is also needed, and your passport copy is also required. And there is some sort of one thing I just try to explain. For example, if your surname have some sort of issue, for example, in my name is Arun K, in my passport the name is Arun Kantoli. So you need to manage some document which is establishing the Arun K and Arun Kantoli both are the same person. So like a one and only certificate you need to manage. So how to go to the application portal? So you need to click this link. So here, if you already did the application, you can look on it, the application status. And if you're going to the fresh application, a new application, you need to of diploma certificate or higher education diploma of higher education purpose. So you need to look on it. So when you go to the application interface, so you will get this kind of tab. Here I can zoom it a bit more. So here you need to choose it whether you're applying for an award recognition from institution or internally. Some institution they manage an award recognition certificates. So this is an institution. If you go to institution ways, you need to choose institute and you're going to add your institution name. So here in our case, we're just applying individually. So we just need to choose this option. Here you need to add it your name and your surname. Here you need to add your name and here you need to add it your surname. For example, your name is Arun K. So still in my all the certificate name is Arun K, but I still added my passport name is Arun Kantoli, so I just add Arun Kantoli. So here you need to add it your passport number. So I just adding some random passport number. Just passport number is starting with like that. I just adding one random passport number, and here you need to choose it your country. So in my case, I just choose India, and here you need to choose it your town or city. So I'm just doing pretty faster. So here I choose my town, and here I choose my PIN code, and this is my address, and I just choose my
email ID. This is my personal Gmail ID. I just add that one, and because you need to choose it the email ID, you can easily accessible. And you need to add your address. You just make sure you add the address same as your passport address. Then you need to go to the next interface. You need to click this box, and next you need to go to the next page. So when you turn to the second tab, you need to choose the same. Here you need to add your name, and you need to add your surname in the diploma, and here you need to choose your country. Here you need to level of study, so which level of study document you are planning to upload. So here this tab, basically you need to upload your bachelor and master degree document. So here you need to add it, which one you need to choose it. Here is a scientific degree, so maybe you're planning to upload your PhD certificate. You need to upload your master or bachelor certificate. Then you need to choose it here, higher education. Here you're getting a four option. One is a diploma completion certificate, another is a diploma awarded scientific degree or certification of completion of your study. The fourth one is a secondary school certificate. So you need to choose this option. Here in the Word file, I will attach it with the video. Here I just add the translation. So the easy purpose to identification. So easy purpose I just added. Here you need to choose your university name, which university awarded for your degree. So in my case, I just add University of Calicut. Here you need to choose your field, which field of study. This is your field of study. You need to choose your field of study. Here you need to add your first. There is an order is very important. First you need to add your reason document, reason awarded diploma. So in my case, I just adding Master of Science document, and MSc document, and with the MSc awarded date, just add your date. Here you're getting a four option. Here you get a four option. One is you're applying for employment or job purpose. Another is basically you just going for a you're going for an official NAWA recognition, official recognition by the Polish university. You can choose the second option, and that you can choose more than one options. So the third one is visa and the resident permit, and the fourth option you get others, and the fifth one is basically in admission to study. So here I just added a Word file. I will attach with this video. I just add all the translation. So here you need to add it, your name, surname, and your country, and your level of study document you are uploading. And here you choose the document, diploma, registration number, and university, and the field, and the title of the degree, and the purpose of the diploma recognition in Poland. And here you need to add your document. So in this third tab, the similar. You need to add your name and your surname. So you need to choose your country. And you need to choose your submitting document. And you need to add your University of Calicut, which university awarded your document. Here you need not a field. This is your degree title basically. So here, Bachelor of Science. Here you need to add your date, 2016. For example, if you add the master document, you add the bachelor document early, then what happened basically? If you choose the degree, it might be you might be get 2022. Then it will show like that. So you need to upload your mandatory. You need to upload your bachelor document, secondary, and the first you need to upload your recent awarded diploma. So here you need to add 2016. And here similar, you need to upload your document. This is the fourth tab. So So here you need to add your passport, and here you need to passport or national proof basically. Yeah, means your national ID or the Aadhaar card or anything. And that second column basically you have the authorization. For example, someone doing this thing, authorization to another person to submit the document on your behalf basically. So authorization document. The third one is if you're doing your own application, you can leave it that option, and you're creating a surname change. For example, after marriage, sometimes the people change their surname. So if such kind of document, one and only certificate or anything, if you have, you can upload in that column. If you don't have, you just keep it as empty. Another is the refugee status one. Refugee status. Here I just add everything in a translation. Every translation I just added here. So then if you don't have a refugee, you can you don't need to upload anything here. Then you have any additional attachment, or anything additional document if you have, you can upload that one, like a translation, your translation or any supporting certificate you have, you can add it. And if you need any comment, for example, you're applying for a diploma recognition admission to PhD studies in Poland or something, you can add comment here. And if you have, you can make a clarity also. For example, if your name have some sort of change, for example, after marriage, if your name have some sort of change, you can make some sort of clarity here also. You can comment, additional any comment. This is the final tab. Then you will get this only. You will get a final tab like that. You will get the final tab. What you need, you just need to click on the tab, then you just submit it. Here you need to add it the next. When you go to submission, you get a mail. You get a within few seconds you will get a mail, and you need to activate the link. When you activate the link, your application is officially accepted. And if you have any related doubt, you can contact me. That's it.
So I try to explain the NAWA recognition application process from my best. So if you have a related any kind of inquiry, any doubt or anything, you just please ping me. I just add might be my previous video or might be this video. My WhatsApp number is available, so you can ping me or you can mail me. So related any inquiry related how the NAWA recognition process, because when I am applying my NAWA recognition certificate, I face a lot of trouble. For example, this translation issues and all the things. Sometimes we do some sort of mistakes. So ensure when you do the NAWA recognition in the properly. All the best and wait for the more videos. Okay, bye-bye.